I'm tired. 6 seconds now, I'm very tired.
Go! Boink. Backward. Back it up. Back up.
Okay.
No. Yep. This way.
Oh, it's got lights?
Turn. There you go.
Okay, light. Oh, is that light? That's that light.
Where you going?
Oh, my gosh. Because cold. These are gonna light the ways.
Ready? Go.
Oh.
Whoa. Spinning around.
Do it again.
Go.
No, it's working.
Go forward.
Okay.
No. Use your controller. This way. Ready?
I'm trying. I'm backing.
Go forward. Go forward. Go that other way.
This way.
You can turn it with a controller.
Look at my shoulder.
Where's it going?
It's just going in the door. It's just going.
Meanwhile, he's holding the controller.
I'm just
Ready? Go.
No. It's not go. I'm just trying. No. Ah! What? I have to look at the engine.
Go.
Why are you beating? Dumping. Wow! Wow! Ow!
Go backwards. Other way.
Uh-oh.
No, don't touch it. Use the controller. Back up. You can back it up this way. Ready? Forward. Backwards. Backwards. Forward.
I can do it. No, my wrist.
Backwards. Back it up. No, don't touch. Don't touch. Use your controller. Back it up.